guys, 7th grade engineering students. As you guys know, I'm not going to be here for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday this coming week. So here's Mr. Remillard talking to you guys in the past for the future about what you guys are going to be doing on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. To start off with, you guys are going to make sure that you finish your product evolution project. Now I'm going to show you where you can find the product evolution project resources within the classroom first, okay? So up in the front of the classroom, you'll find the Engineering Our World folder. If you open that up, you will see that it says Activity 1.1.2, Product Evolution, and this walks you through how to complete the entire project front and back, okay? You don't have to worry about these conclusion questions yet, but you do have to worry about on Wednesday, you should have a completed slides presentation, which is turned in on Google Classroom. As well as, to help you guys out, what I've done is I've made some copies of this sheet right here. This sheet right here walks you through the research questions that you should be focusing on, and then it shows you what each bit of information, where it should go in your slides presentation. So for example, when was the product invented? When you research that, then that's going to go into your timeline slide. Remember, you need to keep track of all the sources that you use because you need a grand total of at least 4 sources. Now on your computers, there's a couple different resources that you can utilize when Mr. Remillard is not in the room. So daily, Mr. Remillard is going to be posting an agenda, so you can always check out that if you need extra help or resources. Then if we go down to assignments, you're going to see within the assignments folder where there's a product evolution assignment, which explains the project. However, you'll notice that it says submit on Google Classroom. So if we go to Google Classroom, you're going to see where it says product evolution project. Okay, and if you click on that, the instructions will be there as well, where we've got lots of our resources. We've got the product evolution slides template, which if you work on that, then if you just open that up, you can actually just edit this, and then you can click turn in on Google Classroom. As well as there, we've got the actual project description. We've got the rubric that you're going to be graded on. We've got a template for taking notes, as well as we've got that research to slides resource, where it says where the information from your resource questions goes for your actual slides presentation. Now, when it comes to turning things in, if you're confused on how to turn something in, again, you go back to Schoology, and I've actually got a video in the Resource Center on how you can submit something to Google Classroom, which that link is found right here, Google Classroom Turn-In Tutorial. Now, if for some reason you finish early, remember, you can always work on a PhET simulation, which is also found in the Resource Center. Now, if you finish early on your product evolution project, you have a few different options. First thing is if you are behind or if you're unhappy with one of your grades on one of the worksheets that we've done in the past, you can grab that in this folder, okay? Everything from this class is in this folder. Just try and keep it nice and neat in one nice neat pile, so that way it doesn't confuse other students. As well as that, if you walk on over here to my whiteboard next to my phone, you'll notice that there are 2 piles. One pile are my STEM puzzles. This is a series of STEM puzzles that you can complete in order to get extra STEM top 5 points. As well as over here, we've got my subplans emergency folder, and inside that, you'll notice that there are instructions on how to complete code.org on one of the laptops, and it walks you through it. You're going to make sure to continue with Google when you're signing in order to complete the Express 2019 coding course.